today. This is sort of a difficult way to transport this boat, but you know, it's worked twice. I'm gonna launch it down over here on this little lake. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, it's time to throw it in the water.
Mommy, where are we going?
Can you put them in there for me?
Good. Can we put the next one in?
Oh, thank you.
Good.
Sully puts them in there for me.
Good job, Sully. Oh, you're so strong. Can we do it together?
Oh, good job.
We did it. Okay, wait. All right. Are we ready to go?
Oh, not yet, not yet.
First, Daddy's gonna go. Are we ready to go?
Just gotta make sure it floats first.
Let's carry it in. Let's carry her out.
Oh, Sully's really ready.
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Okay, I launched my boat for the first time, and my child really lost her cookies or whatever, and it is filled up with water. I don't know if you can really see it, but it is filled up with water. And I have to solve that problem right now. Okay, I'm back in the boat now. It is back in the water. Now, somewhere, I'm gonna put the camera down here. Somewhere water came in. I don't know how or where. But some water came in. And immediately evacuated my wife and child from the boat. See why water was coming in. It was quite an adventure, my first launching. I wish I could have filmed it, but I was more interested in. There was a million people at the launch. Where is the water coming in? Where is the water coming in? Is it coming? Is it coming in there? Is my seal weird here? What did I do wrong? That's the theme of this build. What are you doing wrong? Stop doing that, you idiot. You're running. Oh, I see water coming in. I bet it's coming in from right there. I somehow lost one of these screws and I was using the other one. So it might be completely necessary that you have all 6 in. Well, there we go. There's one from the seat. Somewhere in those woods I can hear my child screaming. Let's see if I can go rescue her. She's angry about something. Alright, well, I'm rowing again. I think the problem's solved. There's a turtle over there. See if I go, let's go see if I can find my child and my wife. Yeah, you want to try again? Whoa, it's kind of hard, right?
Can I come too?
I have to hold you. I don't want you to fall in. Can I hold you? Hold my hand. Oh, it's okay, man.
But I need to come.
Whoa.
Bobby!
It's okay, just take her back. It's okay.
Bye, Bobby!
You see Bobby right there?
Bye, Bobby!
You know what, Brad? I feel like we need to get something that like.
All right, let's try to launch one more time. Let's try to disembark from this little dock here. Now, I just bought those oars today. I want everyone to know that's why I left the barcode still on. All right, you can see there's some. Trying this new style of camera work where you shake it around a lot. You know, it's like this new thing that kids are doing. That was definitely a dad joke. Trying this new thing out where you're not funny. All the kids are doing it. All right. I'm gonna pick them up.
Oh.
An elephant.
If you see an elephant?
If you see an elephant, then we get to poo.
Oh. Let's do another one. Row, row, row your boat.
It's so annoying. Then we get to
If you see a lion, don't forget to roar.
If you see a T-Rex, then we get to
That was a good one.
Peace. Peace. It didn't work. Maybe it's not working. Oh, your boat. Oh, your
You do it. Flip the camera.
boat. Daddy.
This way, yeah.
Daddy, I will be. Can you see? I will be. Oh, this is so upset.
Oh no, you gotta stay sitting down, sitting down,
Mommy,
Tootie.
it's mine.
I know, Sully, we're watching Daddy. Look at this video camera. Let's watch Daddy.
You silly Tootie.
You're silly, Dad.
You're the silly. Hey, who's silly? Are
Yeah,
you
let's watch
silly?
Daddy row, row, row your boat. Let's sing row, row, row your boat.
Rolling down the stream, merrily.
No, put
No,
your shoe
leave
back
your
on.
shoe. Leave your shoe on, Tootie. Our child is so crazy, she's losing her hat right now.
No, your feet stay in.
Lucy, bald eagles, where are they? Bald eagles? Yeah, where are they? Hey, thanks for watching. I got a lot more adventures like this to come. This is only the first time I ever launched this boat. So if you want to help this boat go a little bit faster, you could use any of the links below in the description. Like the link to the song that you're listening to now, where I play trombone with some of my friends. There, you could like the video. You could subscribe to the channel. You could donate using the link below. You could comment on the video and say, you could say how silly I am, or adorable my child is. I got plenty more videos to come.